Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed in Pathankot Air Force Base a short while back. There is high security at the base and adjoining areas for the Prime Minister's visit. His visit now comes exactly a week after terrorists stormed the Air Force Base, sparking an encounter that went on for 4 consecutive days. 6 terrorists were killed, but 7 Indian soldiers were also martyred. Prime Minister Modi will conduct an aerial survey as well of surrounding border areas later today. The security forces declared the Air Force Base fully sanitized only yesterday. The probe into the attack, which is being conducted by the NIA, has also picked pace. I want to immediately connect to my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu joining us outside the Pathankot Air Base. Kamal, would you get us up to speed with what is developing inside? The Prime Minister, along with top level officials like the NSA right now at the Air Force Base in Pathankot.
Preeti, very little information is really flowing out. But a week after the dreaded terror attack, Prime Minister Modi himself taking stock of the situation. He has held a high-level meeting with the top officers here. They briefed him about every bit of the encounter. And remember, 4 days the encounter went on. So he's been shown the area as to where the encounter really took place, about how these terrorists could actually come in a group of 2s and 4s, their entry of breach as to where this Air Force. So obviously the part where there could be an insider role about Air Force taking steps to not just safeguard its periphery, but also about standard operating procedures all across Air Force Station in the northern part of India. Air Force Station here is extremely important because it's based on the western borders along with Pakistan. I remember the flights were taken away, arms ammunition particularly were moved to a strategic position so that in the encounter it could be used. But yes, yesterday we saw the NSG, all the commandos coming back. They will obviously be a symbolic visit as to where the Prime Minister will obviously talk about bravery and valor, especially of the martyrs themselves. But at this point of time where we are, little information is flowing out. We've seen the Air Force officers being extremely tight-lipped. But yes, as far as the security across western borders are concerned, they've already been beefed up right after the encounter. 26 January is close by. That is another significant point. Punjab police we spoke to early this morning. They said right across the Air Force Base, multi-layer security has been put in place because of the Prime Minister's visit. But what details are being shared, what the Prime Minister has really discussed, perhaps is something which has not been shared at this moment.
Appreciate you joining us, Kamal. We're going to keep coming back to you for more updates on that story.